brother from my next hard because he's a vaporizer. Photo nuts and bow hoes, feeling flame, kicking those off they hinges, spitting bitches like switches. Ain't a nigga that I feel and I don't cry over something. Mama had you, mama love you, fucking with Murphy bitches, motherfucker.
You niggas, y'all don't bleed and it's the truth. It ain't no time for pleasure, it's whatever with us, fool. I guess you bitches think them shots with Glock don't take us under. Forever, bitch, your player hater, best to get some yonder. Catch up with your kind, nigga, win, lose or draw. Wants to see a player fall, bitch, let that be the cause. Let that ass get smoked, fall that foes to my foes. In the mess, player hate me, motherfuck you hoes.
Player hating in the mess, motherfuck you in your clique. Them niggas that we with, send them death out to you trick. Player hating in the mess, motherfuck you in your clique. Them niggas that we with, send them death out to you trick. Player hating in the mess, motherfuck you in your clique. Them niggas that we with, send them death out to you trick. Player hating in the mess, motherfuck you in your clique. Them niggas that we with, send them death out to you trick.
I be that pimp nigga, endo smoker, really hate you buffaloes. Gotta keep it on the low, also keep it undercover. Ain't no nigga on this earth that I feel in my heart. Keep my mind on my prize and these bitches flat foot bar. It's that nigga named One. It don't really make no difference. 7 ways to stay paid, gathering up my ammunition. 97 gon' be a bitch. Hoes, please don't test my nuts. Mr. Murder, death and kill. Don't you know you fucking up?
Kicking, pippin' with my niggas off and on, my smoking killers of that hate. Every day with nigga low, man, fuck what you say. Player haters, ain't
Oh,
no
good
love.
morning.
Fucked up, really good. It's the Grove, shadow, see us players, cuz. Hating plus hoes, time busters equals honor, minus weak ass niggas. By slugs in my chamber, I see how you be. Back doors spreading leather, barrel, true
I should plug in my shitter microphone. We should go back to the other microphone. Be like, what? What's wrong? What happened? What the fuck? Boy, I tell you, that 3-hour came through. The 3-hour came through. I'm fresh out the bed. I'm fresh off the bed right now, if you can't tell. I was deep asleep. Deep asleep. I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead. Good morning, good morning. Damn, dang. Damn, look at this woman, dude. Look at this chick. This chick knew what was going on, dude. What the fuck? This chick's a dude. This chick's a dude. This dude knew what was going on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn, he didn't even flinch. Damn, that dude knew what was going on the whole time. Is this a woman or a man? What the fuck? Maybe it ain't nothing. Damn, he was ready. She was ready. Dude was ready. Oh. Yeah, I don't know, you can't, people read too much into a lot of shit. I don't think libtards should lose their jobs because of the stupid shit they say. Damn, Paul Dozer. Damn, bro. Come on, man. Even though all they do is do it to us. Even though they do it to us. Look at this poor lady. She get. What? Her Home Depot still has people working there. Her job's about to be gone anyways. This bitch's job is about to be gone anyways. I haven't seen a human employee at a Home Depot in years. If your Home Depot still has humans working there, wow, good for you. Mine don't.
Okay, from Cayuga. And you think that the shooter should have been a better shot? Is that what you posted on Facebook?
That's what she should have said. Yeah.
You think that the shooter should have been a shooter, huh?
I am at work.
Yeah, I think that's pretty messed up. Pretty anti-American, if you ask me. As a veteran, I'm disgusted. What have you provided to this country? Huh? I'm sorry. This is ridiculous. You are ridiculous. And I'm making you famous.
Yeah, get that liberal. Get that bitch.
Yeah?
Get that bitch. That's all she has, bro.
And you think that
Fuck
the
you.
shooter should have
They've
been
been
a better
doing it to
shot?
us for years.
Is that what you posted on Facebook?
I am at work.
You think that the shooter should have been a shooter?
Although, man, she looks like a really good cashier.
Yeah, I think that's pretty messed up. Pretty anti-American, if you ask me. As a veteran, I'm disgusted. What have you provided to this country?
She looks like she's probably been a damn
I'm
good
sorry.
Home Depot cashier.
This is
She's
ridiculous.
rocks that Home
You are
Depot
ridiculous.
apron really good.
And I'm making you
Too
famous.
bad her job's disappearing
Darcy Waldron.
since now we just do everything ourselves
Okay,
at
from
Home
Cayuga.
Depot.
And you think that the shooter should have been a better shot? Is that
Yeah, now when we go to Home Depot, you got to do everything yourself.
Dirty hoe, dirty, dirty, dirty hoe. She can take me to the fucking mall and buy me plenty clothes. Dirty, dirty, dirty hoe, dirty, dirty, dirty hoe. She can take me out the fucking need to spend up all her dough.
I trust no hoes like I don't trust a pole. 5 bitches wanted to smoke. Nathan's free, for you hoes. I'm walking out of the mall. She's with her girl spitting game. She wanted a choo-choo train. Me and her plus her main. The number I called it up. What came first was the chewing. I wasn't impressed at first. Now she knows what she's doing. This bitch is looking real stout. Fuck sitting on the couch. I wanted to dig her mouth. Can't wait to turn her out. It's funny how bitches be saying and be playing a damn role. She's walking
get the
around
fuck
house,
outta
butt
here.
naked with no clothes. My dick proceeded to act like it had a mind of its own. She's busting and shaking so good.
There's another one? Was there another one in Milwaukee? Come on, dude. Good. I hope these I hope these little weirdos keep trying every time, dude. Bring them on. Let them just keep throwing shit at the wall. It's like throwing salami at the wall.
Slow as hell, I can't complain. I should've went to college, cause I'm always getting brains. I called this chicken up, told her take me to the mall. She asked me for a shoes, do I want a mall. She wants to
the perimeter is actually established by your threats that are in the area. So if I don't have any threats outside of 100 yards, okay, fine, I can cordon off a certain area. But if I have a building 160 yards perfectly adjacent to the stage, that's an obvious threat, especially with an elevated position that has overwatch. That's a sniper's paradise. And we talk about eagles nests. You also have, which no one talks about, but the water tower.
So what I'm hearing from you is it's not a failure on the ground for sure, but also a failure in advance?
I think it's a failure in advance. I think it's a failure to have the counter snipers to be able to establish their range fin and their sketch maps.
I also heard we've also learned that local snipers were stationed inside that building.
I haven't heard that piece of it yet, but that doesn't necessarily make sense unless they were actually in a window which was backed off, because a lot of times you get yourself in there. Sometimes you expose your rifle in a way to try and do a force protection or a show of force that actually stops things. Others are actually more tactical where they'll sit back a little bit, but a sniper for the law enforcement is only trained to shoot about 75 yards, unlike your counter sniper teams that are on so. But here's my problem. In having done this for so long, they always say the adage of ignorance is bliss, and I think that's true. I've done thousands of advances. I've done thousands of counter sniper operations with our teams in Iraq and Afghanistan, etc. The amount of negligence, the amount of mistakes that was made here, I have a very difficult time not leaning myself towards this was intentional as opposed to fecklessness.
But wait,
Straight
talk to me
up.
about that. I actually heard you say this right the day after, which I wanted to ask you about. What do you mean intentional?
I
mean an intentional failure on the part of...
No, I wouldn't say an intentional failure on the part of, but I gotta just, I sit here and I scratch my head, and you don't want to be the conspiracist, you don't want to be the person.
I'm telling you, because that's what it's leaning towards.
No, I know, and that's the issue, is that you walk this fine balance of, you're not trying to be a conspiracist, but you look at it and you go, how could this have gone so...
But it's one thing if someone on the street says it. It's not. You, Corn Mills, member of Congress, former sniper, you saying it. It makes my eyebrows go up. What?
Bitch, you don't
when
even
you say
have
you're
any
walking the line on
eyebrows.
this, intentional
Hang
what?
on.
it almost seems to me...
Look, this bitch talks about eyebrows. She don't have any.
Eyebrows go up. What? When you say you're walking,
You walk this fine balance of, you're not trying to be a conspiracist, but you look at it and you go, how could this have gone so...
But it's one thing if someone on the street says it. It's not. You, Corn Mills, member of Congress, former sniper, you saying it.
Oh, if one person on the street. I guess we're just people on the street.
It makes my eyebrows go up. What? When you say you're walking the line on this, intentional what?
It almost seems to me, I think that an investigation is necessary at this point within Congress, not just the FBI, not just others. I look back at it and I'm thinking, all right, for an individual, if you looked at the escalations and how they are trying to approach him, let's just say that it was like, okay, first we want to censor and silence you, then we want to indict and imprison you. Now we're attempting to kill you and take you off the stage.
Whoa. You, let's slow down.
Please.
I'm hearing two things from you. I don't want to jump ahead of things, but I'm also hearing you jumping ahead of things.
Well, actually, I'm just looking at all the different possible capabilities. One of the things as a military member, one of the things as a person who's run in the special operations communities before, one of the people who's actually done this is that you look at all potential analysis, right?
Donald Trump and his team have said, do not,
No, I agree.
Dial it back. Do not blame this on Joe Biden.
Oh, well, actually, I didn't say Joe Biden, to be completely
Who's the
clear.
they then? Let's be very specific.
Well, that's what the investigations do. Was it local law enforcement that had made the mistakes, or was there something to it? Was there other types of things that we need to be analyzing or looking at and providing analysis? My point is that when something's so significant, you're talking about something that hasn't happened in decades, right?
Yeah.
I totally.
But my point is this,
let him finish,
from a
bitch.
perspective of someone who's actually conducted these are not difficult advances. This is not like I'm putting together a stage placement and a tight shot. This is about looking at your surroundings. What is my green, yellow, and red route, which is your routes out in case? What is my actual elements that I need to be looking at as far as mitigating threats or risks or increased levels? Where's my range fan for the sniper that says, okay, here's my 100, my 200, my sketch. Here's an area where someone could shoot. Here's some, because here's my thing.
So you're
Let's
saying,
just say it's
wait,
a Royce element.
You're saying this is so basic that how big the screw up was, that's what's leading your brain down this
That's
road?
exactly right, in a way.
Look,
but because here's the other thing. Let's
Tom
just say
Emmer
it's
was
a
just on.
research.
Tom Emmer was just on with me, and he
she's like
said
about to
very
hand
specifically to
job
me.
him.
I wrote it down. He
Just
said very
give him a
it
hand
is
job,
too
lady.
early to be
Do what
talking
you're
about
meant to
who
do.
is at fault and who is
It is.
responsible.
That's why an investigation is
Just
necessary.
give him the hand job.
Is it
Just
not
give it a little
dangerous?
tug.
Is
You
it
might
not
like
reckless?
It. You might like it.
To even be throwing around the word intentionally.
So to question things.
Is anybody there? Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Is anybody there?
She can take me to the fucking mall and buy me plenty clothes. Dirty hoe. Dirty hoe. She can take me out the fucking need and spend up all her dough.
I trust no hoes like I
Don't trust no
hoe.
bitch.
My bitches wanted to smoke. Nathan's free for you hoes. I'm walking out of the mall. She's with her girls spitting game. She wanted a choo-choo train. Me and her plus
Been her main.
The number I called it up. What came first was the
Chewing.
I wasn't impressed at first. Now she knows
What she doing.
This bitch is looking real stout.
Stout.
Fuck sitting on the couch.
Cow.
I wanted to dig her,
Her mouth.
Can't wait to
Turn her out.
It's funny how bitches be saying and be playing a damn role. She's walking around the house, but naked with no clothes.
clothes.
My dick proceeded to act like it had a
Mind of its own.
She's busting and shaking so good, I just knew I had the
Bone.
There must be something special that they mix with they spit. That shit was feeling so good every time she took a leak. No need to sweat this bitch, even though I wanted to do no kissing on the lips, cause her
Breath smell like my new
sucking on my dick, slow as hell, I can't complain. I shoulda
went to college,
'cause I'm always
getting brain.
I called this chicken up, told her take me to the mall. She asked with pair of shoes, do I want
a mall.
She wants to spend some time, so she takes me out to eat. I take a photo, boo, see ya later, hit the streets. Won't never ever commit to a trifling dirty hoe, but she can take me out to fucking eat and
Buy me clothes. Dirty hoe.
Dirty hoe. She can take me to the fucking mall and
Buy me plenty clothes.
Dirty hoe. Dirty hoe. She can take me out the fucking need and spend up all her dough. Dirty hoe. Dirty hoe. She can take me to the fucking mall and buy me plenty.
All the clothes.
Dirty hoe. Dirty hoe. She can take me out the fucking need and spend up
All her dough.
Can't stand these hoes when they
Want relationship.
Cause all I want is trips, and that shit I won't commit. They constantly work on my nerves when they wanna spend some time. But how we supposed to chill when we both ain't got a dime? I'll tell you to your face, all I want.
Hey, how we supposed to chill when we both ain't got a dime? Oh, that shit's too real. It's so much shit. Hang on, we gotta play that again.
Commit. They constantly work on my nerves when they wanna spend some time. But how we supposed to chill when we both ain't got a dime? I'll tell you to your face, all I want is the bus. And if you can accommodate my nuts, hit the dust. I knew this chicken head Dominique was a freak. She's in the Ku Klux Klan, cause she's always under sheets. We met inside the mall, she's so fine, she caught my eye. Her body is so stout, I drank her bath like
some wine.
We dated for a month, then she bought me some jewelry. I
Almost wed that bitch. It's another story.
Her daddy was rebound, so she buys
Me some stocks. Stocks go up. To kick rock.
She paid me about 3 times, told me that she wants to screw. You know I'm
Down with that.
cause
That's all I like to do.
I put on some cologne, wear my keys, then I'm
Gone.
Stop by the corner store,
Stove.
'cause I need a condom
On.
We fucking in the
Shower.
fuck my nut, then I'm through.
Hit the dust, now we through.
We met up later on, cause she wants to get some food. Might even thank you for it, it's depending on my mood. You're still a dirty hoe, Nathan Chain still the same. Remain the evil pimp, so you best respect the name.
Dirty hoe. All the clothes. All her dough. All the clothes. All her dough. Save. Man, that is a classic. Boy, that is some timeless shit right there, man. Evil Pimp sometimes. The man just knows what we're thinking. I don't know. A guy can just, it's like he stepped into our lives. I need to brush my teeth, man. My breath stinks. I don't have any H3O. I bought a watermelon a few days ago and it was like rotten. Because I didn't check it myself. You can't trust anyone. You can't trust people. The grocery delivery driver picked me out. Apparently the one shitty. I never knew you could even get a rotten watermelon before. Oh. What about it? It looks great. Goddamn, when I went to bed, it was fucking 64. What about the trade? Man, you guys are this fucking paranoid? You guys are this paranoid? Well, look at the charts. Well, look at the charts. We just got here. We just got here. We just got here. Shit looks great to me. Looks great to me. Like what? Like does this look any different than this? Than this? Than this? What do you mean it's collapsing? What the fuck do you mean it's collapsing? What do you mean it's collapsing? Does it look any different than this? Than this? Does it look any different? What's different about it? What's different about it, bro? What's different about this than these ones? Who's the guy who said it was collapsing? Where is he? We're scrolling up through the chat. Where is he? It's collapsing. The microphone's cutting out. Let's see here. I may have fallen asleep on the microphone a couple times. What's different, bro? What's different? No. You tell me. No, you tell me. I'm asking you. I'm asking you. What makes you think it's collapsing? Please tell me. Please tell me. You said the word collapse. You tell me, bro. I'm obviously singing along. I'm sitting here singing along. I'm not looking at the charts right now. So I'm asking you, brother. Thank you for being here. You tell me. You tell me. And take your time typing it up. We'll wait. Let's see. Let's put another song on. Oh man. What do we want to listen to? What do we want to listen to? I think classical music might be a good. I could go for like a good violin. What's that one song? What's that one classical song with the violin? Pagani? Vivaldi? Yeah, but what's the song? The Hungarian waltz. All right, you guys said it. Let's see it. It was on the Titanic. Hungarian waltz across Texas. Johann Brahms. This isn't it. Okay, that's not it. This is Hungarian dance. You guys said waltz. Okay, what's the Mozart song? Can I ask OpenAI what song goes? Vivaldi's song Summer. Okay, that sounds right. That sounds right. No. No. Maybe it is. No. Maybe. That's not it. This isn't it. What is this? Hang on. This bitch is playing it. Oh, look at this fine bitch. That ain't it. Winter. Okay, it's Winter. Vivaldi Winter. Guys, this isn't it. This isn't it. It's spring. All right. Okay. This. It better be this. If this ain't it, guys, it's not that hard. It's a song that goes. Come on. There's only 4 seasons, so we're on the 3rd one. We'll see if this is it. God damn it, this isn't it. Although this is a good one too. That's not it. The Ride of Valkyrie. Okay, let's see here. Ride of Valkyrie. All right, let's see here. This ain't it. This is from Apocalypse Now.
Put on Cy War off, sing it loud. Into the Romeo Foxtrot, shall we dance?
Oh man, I don't know if we can watch this. Oh, this is so sad. This is so sad. This is what happens when politicians fuck everything up. You think these people wanted any of this shit to happen? You think these people, all they wanted was be left alone with the little rice hats? You think these people wanted to pierce the heart of the American heart? Oh my God, this is, I can't watch this. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I can't give everyone that says something funny in the chat personal credit, but man, you guys are on fire tonight. All right, let's see it. Okay, Eileen Clean, Mozart. Eileen Clean. All right. You guys are saying this is it. We're gonna find out. Fuck, this isn't it. You guys are just spitting out random, the only, you know, random classical music you know. Fuck. You know, let me just ask ChatGPT, because I think it's in the opening, it's in the scene in Titanic. Good morning. What was the song in Titanic? It's a classical song that was playing when Rose shows Leonardo hand wiping DiCaprio the rich person dinner. If this gets it from this question. En deux chemins de nuit de bleu, the Blue Danube. It's a famous waltz. Oh my God. The Blue Danube. Is it the Blue Danube? If this shit gets it after that question. The Blue Danube Waltz. This isn't it, but this is a really good one. This is the Bugs Bunny. This is Bugs Bunny. Oh. Did the guy ever answer my question about it's collapsing? It's collapsing. It's collapsing. Look at your chart. It's collapsing. Mozart and Dante. Okay. All right, now we'll see if the groper, Mozart and Dante. Damn, this is a good song too, but this isn't. Hang on, where's Mozart and Dante? Piano concert and Dante. Why do they make classical music so damn hard to like? What the fuck? Mozart, Adagio, Dante. I can't even understand this shit. I typed in Mozart and Dante, and there's a million fucking things. Okay, let's see here. This is. This isn't it, but this is good too. The tune goes na 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 na. It's a fucking violin. It's always played. It's like on with the movies when the rich people sit down for dinner, it's the song that's played. I can't believe we can't figure it out. Although you guys are finding me a lot of great songs. Okay, it's Luigi. All right, Luigi Bronicherry. All right, we're gonna see. 7th time's the charm. We're gonna see. We're at the point where we're giving away prizes. I'm about to give away prizes. String quintet. Ooh, this could be it. This could be it. Yes! This is the song. I forgot. Did the guy ever answer us back on what was collapsing? I'm waiting for the guy to answer on why he thinks it's collapsing and why I should be. Maybe he's right. I'm not saying it's not. I'm not saying it's not collapsing. But when I went to bed, the price was down here. When I woke up, I just woke up and the price is here. And I'm supposed to have some fear. I'm supposed to be struck with fear. Strike me then. Strike me with your fear. We're only playing classic hits tonight. Okay, so last song was Luigi Buenacaccio Dubaccio. Next is DJ Squeaky. Both have inspired so many for ages.
Another morning, waking up, my shit safe and baked. Say good morning to my mom.
DJ Squeak. All right. I do intend on looking at some charts here. I do intend on doing so. I do intend on looking at these charts, but not yet. I want to drink my coffee. I forgot I made coffee. So I was surprised to see it when I just walked over there to my coffee machine. I was like, fuck yes, it's already ready for me. Yeah, man, of course, bro. I've heard all DJ Smokey. Of course we listen to DJ Smokey. Bro, we used to play DJ Smokey on this channel all the time. My gosh, this looks like we are collapsing. Oh man, it's collapsing. It's fucking collapsing. Come on, where's the collapsing guy? Tell me why you think it's collapsing. I have a stock wash help here so you can look at it, please. For 20 bucks, it all goes to charity. Absolutely. Bosch Health BHC. For $20 to go to the cancer children, absolutely. Bosch Health. boy. Oh shit. Yeah, let's start from the top. Let's start from the top. Starting off at the 2 week. In fact, fuck it. Let's go back to the month. We're feeling. I'm thinking we're gonna like this one. Okay, the monthly kind of looks shitty, but it looks like it's the monthly. We're hoping that this momentum fights and comes back up. Judging by the 2 week and shit, by the smaller time frames, it looks like it will. This money flow's coming up very nicely. We have very nice trigger waves on the momentum. RSIs are quite low. Let's take a look at this overall price action. When was this back in 1995? Yeah, Bosch has a long time. This is a bottom. I mean, this was the price back in 1997. And holy shit. Oh my God. What happened to this company? Are they going through bankruptcy or something? Are they getting bought out? I mean, this is as low as the price goes, and so if they're working on something, there's going to be some news of the company like this getting bought out or something, and then price will start going back up. But you're flying low. You know, when you're flying low, it is dangerous. And what I mean by flying low is when your shares are $7 and $6 and $5 and $4 a share, any move is a big move. Any move up and down is a big move to hurt. It can hurt you or it can help you, you know. I wonder where you got in on this. I wonder how long you've held this stock, and something went terribly bad in 2022 for this company. Something went real bad. Something's been going bad for this company for kind of a while. What the fuck happened to these guys? What happened in 2015? You know, what happened? You might have to, I mean, maybe you know. Is it collapsing? Okay, good. Okay. The daily, you know, well, I could see why you might want to, this, hang on here. Let's look at these percentages here. Holy lordy. This is a range. Let's clear this chart up. Hang on. This is a range. This is range bound. This is range bound, and there is money to be made here. I don't know how you trade your stocks, or if you're just kind of like a long holder. If you just buy stocks and hold, that's okay, you know. Sure, you know, if you think you're trying to buy in low on botch, and hopefully there's some good news that comes out, someone buys them out or something happens and they come back up. This is a good trade range with hefty percentages on the daily here. So I mean, these trades, you know, you could take your time on these. These are like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month plays that you can make with this. No. 12-hour looks the same. Yeah, you know, I tell you though, when it all depends on your mindset and whatnot. You know, I wonder what price you got what price you got these shares. What price did you what you don't have to tell me. I want to know what happened. Okay, I'm going to ask ChatGPT. What happened to Bosch Health companies that made the price go down so much? Let's see what ChatGPT says. Recently experienced a significant drop in the stock price due to multiple factors. Primarily, the company reported disappointing earnings in one. That's not enough. Missing both earnings per share and revenue expectations. Also unexpected at 59 cents, which was lower. Wait, okay. Earned per share was 59 cents, which was lower than the consensus estimate of 75 cents. In revenue of 2.15 billion, slightly below the expected 2.18 billion. Oh my God. Bosch companies, how dare you? How dare they? Somebody fucked up. Somebody's head has to roll. Somebody's head has to roll. They were supposed to bring in 2.18 billion. They only brought in 2.15. If you worked for Crypto Face and Market Cipher, you'd be buried in the desert somewhere if that happened to us. Listen, I think $20 is a good price for stock for analysis. I'm not doing no $2 look at your shit coin for $2. Look at your scam coin for $2. But I will look at Doge for a medio dislano. And you know, this channel's about to get disappeared anyways. We're down to 400 viewers now. I don't know. Oh my God. Man, they're like not even hiding it anymore. They're just like, fuck Crypto Face, take him out. We're gonna have to call DJ Squeak. It looks the same as everything else. The 6 hour looks very good. The 6 hour money flow looks nice. The 12 hours coming up, you know, maybe at some point, maybe it's got to take a little break. You know, maybe it's got to go sideways, but it really doesn't have to. This wave can continue. When a wave comes up, it doesn't have to go down. It can just like boop and continue. There we go. Oh man, I shouldn't have said anything. The 2 week is coming in right on time on the yellow, on that yellow VWAP oscillation coming up, and we are on the 2 week here. And every time the VWAP does come up, there is price movement right here. Went from 56 to 76. It went from 53 to 74, and now it's gone from 40s to who knows where. But you know, maybe you can do a little something like this. We can expect for it to maybe rain, maybe touch, maybe be a little lower. I'd be shocked if it goes over the 60s. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked, but maybe Ripple can hit the 60s. Slightly lower than last time. You know, like each pump is slightly lower. There's a pump, okay, a little lower. This one's about equal, this one a little lower. That's pretty much typically how it goes. I'd say a Ripple maybe can get into the 60s and it's probably done. Unless something changes. Now, I haven't even charted my own trade. I got to figure out what's going on here. I'm still waking up. I'm drinking my coffee. We're singing along. Damn. Oh my God, look at these. Oh my God. My gosh, I tell you, these spider lines just never cease to not amaze me. They never cease to not amaze me. Damn, we're at OG spider line, the OG spider line. Holy shit. So, my God. Oh my God. OG spider line. Wow. 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 That's amazing. This is amazing. Marvelous. This song sucks. This channel sucks. It's music channel. This sucks too. Gay.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far between. And I'm grateful for the memorability of each moment. Moments wrapped in romance that end with bitter sunrises and goodbyes.
Yeah, brother, I made like 50K on the short. It was like 48,000 on the short. Yes. And we've just been hand wiping, trading it up and down the whole time, man. What a great song this is. What a great song.
And I'm grateful for the memorability of each moment.
I probably would have looked at it for free, bro, because I get so tired of looking at shit coins when they all look the same. I love looking at stocks, you know what I'm saying? Next time, just fucking ask me. Now I'll remember who you are. We're probably at target. I haven't really delved into it, but being on an OG spider non-logarithmic line, that's a big target that we're at right now. We're kind of at a big target. Big target. But I want to enjoy it a little bit. We just woke up. I want to enjoy it a little bit.
Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far between. And I'm grateful for the memorability of each moment. Moments wrapped in romance that end with bitter sunrises and goodbyes.
Where's that 1 hour? Where's the 1 hour? Boom! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Man, it just doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. The money flow is so thick right now, man. These 30-minute, these 1 hour momentum trigger waves have been amazing. This one, we banged it out. This one, we even banged that one out, and then the hourly comes along. The hourly comes along, and there was a little fight, but we believed in it. And look how far it's come. Look how far it's come. Look how far we've come. Look how far you've come. Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Don't be scared. You know you want it. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need.
Do we have any new testimonials?
Tell me what you want. Don't be scared. You know you want it.
Profit logs.
I'm over this. Sometimes I want it back. Yes. Don't be scared.
All right.
You know you want it.
That's interesting. Let me change the title. I don't know what's going on lately, guys. I really don't know what's going on lately with things. I think I pissed somebody off. But that's all right. That's all who's meant to be here. You're here. That's all that matters.
Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need.
Oh.
Tell me what you want. Don't be scared. You know you want it.
Look at the 25-minute. Look at this beautiful curvature on the VWAP oscillation coming up on the 25.
Sometimes
Momentum still high.
I want it back. Yes.
Bro, my thumbnails are the same, bro. My thumbnails are the same, man. My thumbnails have always been bad. My thumbnails have always been bad. Are they a little extra bad lately? I'm thankful for those that are here. Maybe it's everyone's viewership are down, you know what I'm saying? Maybe everyone's down a little bit. Yes, I did tweet. Didn't I tweet? Didn't I tweet? I think it was a shitty tweet. Yeah, I said good morning and posted it. The fact that, you know, I tweeted, but I guess I should have said that, no, I didn't tweet. All right, maybe, well, let's find out. Let's tweet about it. All right, let's see if the viewers go up. Ooh, look at that 10-minute tight. Look at that tight 10-minute. Or, well, then look at this. We bounced off the spider line. We bounced off the spider line for some. Oh my gosh. Really? Is this? Oh my gosh, guys. Is this real? Is this real? Is this real? We're entering potentially the first super volatile area. This area and this area. But this area, super volatile. The buoyancy, remember the buoyancy, man, the raft. We are in the raft. Billy and Sally have canoes. This is our canoes. And we're rowing along, and Sally fell overboard into the water. Sally fell, and Billy grabbed Sally, pushed her down to create buoyancy, and now Sally's coming back up. Man, we've been on point. Man, we've been on point. This is a great mix so far. It's a gay name, delicious, deep vibes, deep house, gentleman summer edition 2024, volume 1, chapter 1, episode 1. This is a great mix. We're gonna have to save this one. It's not the same gentleman bullshit. It's not the same gentleman 5 gentleman remix songs we hear everywhere. This is some different shit. I like it. The next spider line is at 74,000, although we
There is no passion to be
It's like we're on the verge of something special. The 25-minute, the 6-hour coming up. What's going on here? What's going on? We're tightening up. We're going up, but we're tightening up. Somehow we're tightening up, man. We might have something going on, man. We might have something going on.
Without consistency, you'll never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living.
You wonder what event could cause us to go higher. The event already happened.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing.
The event already happened.
There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living.
Yo,
Yo,
what's up, man? You've been killing it on the streams, bro.
I never understood that.
thank you, bro.
Having something to fall back.
Man, my flight is tomorrow, bro. I'll be in Tampa supporting our boy Mike Perry.
Damn. Damn, it's tomorrow. That's crazy. It's coming up. Yeah, 4 days. It's a fight. 3 days.
I got a guy selling those shirts too, so like he'll be outside of the event selling the shirts.
Oh yeah.
And I'm in the ice bags telegram, so I mean I should be getting to meet all these people. We'll see what happens. But
Are you gonna be able to accept money? Are you gonna like have a cash app and shit ready? Like if someone says I don't have any cash but I have a card, you know what I'm saying? Or is it cash only and cash app transactions?
He's got that Apple Pay shit. Like
Okay.
yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yep, we just got to get him a table and a chair, you know. But like we got the Airbnb for him, got the cheap flight. So I've never gone so hard to sell some shirts before in my life, bro. But we're gonna do it, man. I also mailed one to J-Rob, like Mike Perry's personal rapper. He's gonna be performing in Colorado Springs on fight night with the shirt and like reblogging it. He's gonna be a David Rebloggins. And then Kai Stewart, I sent Kai Stewart a shirt, and then I sent our boy Bupai Crown. I sent Crown Chalker a shirt too.
Where can they buy the shirt if they wanted one right now?
You just go to empoweredtraders.com, and if you use code PLATINUM, it's $25 off.
empoweredtraders.com.
Yeah, pull it up on your let me pull up your stream here. I wasn't even looking at your stream.
Why is it linking me looking? Okay, here it is. And if they use code PLATINUM, they get $25 off. And this is a super high quality shirt. It's about as high quality as they can get. It's got the Mike Perry Unleash Hell on Your Trades limited time. This is a one-time, you can never get it again thing, right?
There's only 100 shirts, so once we're sold out, the design is done. So yeah, it's like a, just like how there's only 100 of a certain model of Corvette, there's only 100 of these shirts. And really, there's only like 90 of them because I'm passing out a lot of them. A lot of them are for me. So
and me.
Yeah.
I like how there's only large and extra large. Hey, who's, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, if you're a medium, I don't want you wearing my shirt. and if you're a double
hey
XL,
man, come on. Sometimes they're small. You can't be hating on the small people out there too. But no, I don't know how, dude. I tried putting on a medium shirt actually when I woke up today, and I was like, how the fuck was I wearing this?
No, I mean, I wish we had more sizes, but I had to be efficient, you know. I had
Yeah,
to
no, you did the right move. I think large, extra large was the right move. And you know, if you're medium, it's better to have an oversized shirt than an undersized shirt. You know what I'm saying? Like, because you can grow into it, and yeah, you don't want some tight ass shirt cutting off your fucking circulation. So empoweredtraders.com. Damn, what a great domain name.
Yeah, I might turn it into something else. In fact, I will turn it into something else when this little venture is over with. Some guy in the chat said they'll be one of a kind until they sell out, then you'll make more. Lol, that's funny as hell. You're probably right, dude. If we did sell out a lot, I might make some more. I don't know, it's kind of a limited time thing, man. It's like dated, you know, it's his fight. It's about this fight in particular, so.
Are you in any trades?
You know, since I'm flying.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
But, man, you know, I've been talking about these monthly jump arounds and stuff, but really what happened was it was a quarterly, like July 1st is the first day of Q3. And so basically the first big move we get is a pump up to the Q2 averages. So that made a lot of sense, but now we're already there. So it's like, I'm a little, even if I had time to trade, I'm not sure if it's gotta correct right now or if it's only halfway done fucking pump. It looks like it's actually at a pivot point where it's just gonna fully rotate to the upside, but it's also at like a major resistance. So I don't know, man, from a swing trading perspective.
Man, we're at the spider line, and then after this spider line, we're at 65, like the 65, mid 65,000, and after that, it's like there's nothing in the way until 70,000. We're in the top zone with big volatility. This zone has a 92% rate that the price goes all the way through from top to bottom and from bottom to top. This one is, okay, there's 1 out of 2. Do we count? I mean, I guess we can go for each move. 1 out of 1. 1 out of 3. 2 out of 4, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 6. Five out of 7. What's 5 out? What percent is 5 out of 7? What's 100 divided by 7 times 5? $100 divided by 7 multiplied by 5. %, 71.4%. We are entering a zone where 71% of the time
It works every
it goes
time.
all the way through, all the way through. That's pretty
That's
damn
crazy,
good.
man. Yeah, I mean, and your 4-day is just like, just now confirming the weekly is only just giving us a green dot trigger wave with green money flow. You know,
What is
the week? Look, check the weekly, bro. The weekly's giving us a little trigger wave.
Oh my God.
That just
Yeah,
happened, bro.
oh fuck. The weekly. Fuck.
The weekly is-
Beautiful. This is beautiful. And again, it's the same. Look at this. The head and shoulders played out, man. This shit played out so well. And now it is time to take a little move back up. Could be a big move. You know, and listen, it absolutely could be a move that comes up and then comes back down, whatever, but it could be one that's either way, the move's going up, man. The move, it's like they're not too late. It's like we're
yellow
going to
oscillator,
70,000. We're
look
going
at
to
previous-
70,000.
Look at previous yellow oscillator crosses on the weekly. Like, look what happens when the yellow oscillator crosses
Let me
0.
mark
Like,
and then
it's
we'll
usually a
zoom in.
big ass move. I like hear the stream and delayed, and I was like, we're just talking over each other. I didn't even realize, bro.
No, we're not talking over each other.
But yeah, the weekly looks amazing, man. Came back from the dead.
So the last time it went up 17%. The time before that time it went up 75%. The time before that time it went up, technically it went up 182% to the time. You know, how do you, damn. So I'm liking this, Now, technically, the amount that it's gone up has decreased as we've gone up. But in the immediate short term, what was just the next big move? Let's do that. The next big move was 30%. Okay, and then on this one, the next big move was 22%. And on this one, the next big move was 17%. And on this one, this move so far has been 20%. Damn, and it might not be done. I don't think it's done. I think it's just getting started. That's why I had to juice this one a little bit. I'm like, fuck it. Let's set a 5 mil and cruising, man. Cruising, trying to just get it while the getting's good, because it's not always like this.
Yeah, I was surprised to see you in another 6-figure profit trade.
Dude,
That's
I
mean,
have been. It's back to back. So after the 300,000, I shorted and made 46,000, and then I longed, and that's this trade now, I think. And did I close that one? It went long, short, long. And there may have even been another one in there. But dude, I'm playing it like a fiddle. Effortlessly. Like the old days, like when we were Primarking.
I think we're Primarking right now, man. I think the whole MC community is better than it's ever been.
True.
And, people are just sleeping on this shit so far. It's still, we're still early, bro.
Very true.
I mean, when we were closing our shorts on that stream, like last week or whatever, and I was like, this is the bottom. You know what I'm saying? And then the daily started looking good. And it's like a lot of traders were still bearish, but it's like, this is the bottom, guys.
I hope Geo got out of his short. The 12-hour money flow, beautiful. The RSIs are so tight. The daily RSIs have never, this is the most bullish RSI on the daily I've ever seen in eternity on Bitcoin. It's never done this before. Never done this before. It's never done this before. It's never done this before.
They're just congealed and confluenced.
They're like super congealed. It's the most congealed RSIs I've ever seen.
You should make a thumbnail of like some conjoined twins and like just make the video like all about just this RSI on the daily.
Yes, Bitcoin does typically sell off during the conferences, and so sure, there might be a little break during the conferences, but also ain't no one gives no shits about the conferences anymore, so they're not as significant. But yes, the Bitcoin typically always dumps or at least sells off during that time, so maybe there'll be some profit taken during that time. That's next week.
Also, August. You know, I'm suspecting August, there's going to be dumps in August, because if this month's a bullish month, last month was a bearish month, it just goes back and forth. Like May was bullish, June was bearish, July is bullish, so August may be bearish. But I think October, bro. October will be like a sick ass month. October, bro. You get Q4, dude, the final quarter of election season. There's going to be some crazy volatility on the start of Q4 of 2024 election season. Just like there was volatility, this was the beginning of Q3 that we've just been trading here, and you've been killing it. Like, this is when new narratives are happening and shit's going down.
Yeah. Now we've been zooming out, man, and now even and like when we're talking, we got high powered big time frames, the weekly, buddy, and then where I'm looking at the 25-minute and the 20-minute and the 10-minute and the 15, and they're just tightening up. They're coiling up and tightening up, and this is great. I'm so glad I've been able to trade this range, man. I needed it so bad. I needed it because for a good month and a half, I felt like it just kind of felt like shit. I didn't like the environment. It was very wiki. It was like a fee blender where you just get feed out, you know?
The YouTubers and crypto people on Twitter and shit were like absolutely getting shit on the entire way down of June, the entire month of June, just like trying to call bottom and like failing.
I mean, when Ripple people are finally seeing some like when Ripple actually has movement, that's a big deal. That's a big deal. What were you gonna say?
That's what I was gonna say.
Was it really?
No, I don't even remember, bro. I don't know what I was gonna say. But yeah, I agree. I agree. Yes. Yes.
Now the next thing that's the closest thing to shitter Ripple is shitter Cardanza beans. And Cardanza beans, they look like they've been doing all right too. Flogan and Chogan and Gogan and Chong. Yeah, wow, Cardanza beans look like they're doing good. All right, let's take a look at this AVAX that there's been a lot of AVAX traders lately. Let's take a look.
Avalanche.
Is that what it is?
It
That
sure
who she
does look juicy on, oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, dude, Avalanche looks really great on the weekly.
Yeah, the weekly's got a nice oscillation coming through. The RSIs are congealed. I mean, they are red. They're kind of high. It's kind of coming down here, but
AVAX is gonna pump like 35%.
The 6 hour. Look at the 6 hour. It's like found its base. It's been hella red. It looks like it's about to shift to the upside. Yeah, I gotta say, AVAX does look like, you know, a decent holding play on higher time frame. Listen, I am not a shitcoin trader right now. It's the altcoins are too volatile and too wiki for me to safely trade with any real amount of money. There's no fucking way, bro. There's no way, bro.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Have you on repeat? Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far
You know what?
between,
How's ETH looking?
and I'm grateful for the memorability of each
Ethereum's looking good. I mean, it all looks the same. It all looks the same. It's all the same. Pepe, how's Pepe?
sunrises and goodbyes.
Oh, Pepe's at 12. It's at 12. Ooh. Damn. Man, it went down to 8, even 7.9. Now it's up 50%. That's up 50%. Phew.
Have you on repeat? Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far between.
Damn, bro, you doubled your PP at 7.9. That's really good.
Moments wrapped in romance.
Oh man, I wonder what Pulse Chain's looking like. Let's take a look. Oh, it's down to 0.46% sack price. Losers. Shit, I need to buy a new laptop. I need to buy a new laptop. I don't like have a laptop right now.
Have you on repeat? Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. Have you on repeat? Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far between, and I'm grateful for the memorability of each moment. Moments wrapped in romance,
We only have
and with bitter sunrises and goodbyes.
4 days left for the 25% off platinum special on Market Cypher. And again, this is limited. There's only 90 shirts left on the platinum Mike Perry Unleash Hell on Your Trades. Use code platinum for $25 off. These are the highest quality. They're made of thread of mithril and gold and platinum and silk. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, I fell asleep and man, it's just gone straight up. The hourly, we were going through, I think we streamed at some point. It's all a blur to me, but I remember this was the fight. And what did I say? I said, we just gotta have it. It's gonna fight one more time. We just gotta have it continue this fight. And then boom, I passed out. I was in such a deep sleep, I thought I was dead. I had no idea I was even alive. I didn't even exist for the past however long, 10 hours I was asleep. Crypto Face was no longer on this realm. And then I woke up and I looked at my phone and I saw the price.
Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Don't be scared. You know you want it. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Don't be scared. You know you want it. I'm over this. Sometimes
I'm going to,
I want it back.
I'm gonna make some coffee. I'll be right back. This is amazing. This is just amazing. What an amazing,
Tell me what you need.
you know, I don't know however long it's been. This has just been such a great range, man. I feel like the old Crypto Face again.
I'm happy for you, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, it's almost holding the sideways range after a plunge like that. It's like what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Yeah, it's like it just gave us new juice. Like it wasn't working in here, and it's just like I said with the raft in the rapids. We were going in the rapids. Half of us fell off, and it's like in order for us to get back in, you gotta push them down, and something's gotta give. You push them down, and boom, bring them back, and now we have juice again. It's like, man, we got some real foundational volatility and volume, not some stupid, random wiki fee stupid shit.
It's gonna end up
Amazing.
being like a big megaphone pattern, you know, like just a big Chinese trumpet.
Yup. All right, let me go make this coffee. But dude, the Chinese trumpets have been appearing for like the past few days on different time frames. The Chinese trumpets are back and they're bullish. All right, I'll be right back.
Yeah, I mean, trumpet patterns, it makes sense that we're getting the trumpets because it's an election year, right? And so there's volatility, uncertainty, and so the price wants to explore higher highs and lower lows simultaneously. It makes sense that we'd be seeing a trumpet-like pattern on the macro, as well as like the medium term and micro.
You know you want it. I'm over this. Sometimes I want it back. Yes.
Yeah, trumpet pattern or megaphone pattern, but it's the trumpet pattern, man. It's the trump pattern. Election season, uncertainty. causing higher highs and lower lows. But man, oh man, anybody who's been trading with the anchored VWAPs I've been teaching on my channel has seen how powerful that strategy is on a ranging market. Not sure how it'll do in a super trending bullish or bearish month, but with this current environment of the price just ebbing and flowing in the same sideways range, the monthly leapfrog strategy's been murdering it. I think right now, at this point, Bitcoin's got people praying for a 40K pullback. Like, please, give us one more chance, Bitcoin. But 40K is like what, that's like how much you have to spend in electricity to create a Bitcoin. So for it to dump that low, you would then just make no money creating a Bitcoin. Like, does it even make sense for the price to dump that low? What's crazy is that, like, Bitcoin has some historic lifetime anchored VWAP support down at 40K, but we're also in a super strong uptrend. And so, like, yeah, the averages and the trends and the moving averages are down there, but they're sloped up and they're influencing the price in an upward direction. So, like, we don't have to go down there. For me personally, 40K was and it is in the cards. It's just, I'm not really considering it or thinking about 40K unless we're losing like the year-to-date VWAP. Let me see where that price is at real quick. The year-to-date VWAP's at like 60K. It's at 60,690. So by being over the year-to-date VWAP, like Bitcoin's still having a magnificent year, and you wouldn't want to count it out.
Fuck, I was muted. Fuck. Fuck, how long have I been muted? I just got back from coffee, but I was answering some questions. Let me answer Titian's Wars question is, go to Jason Casper's Market Cipher course. Go to his channel and just be like, yo, what's the Market Cipher course? But what I was saying was, don't overcomplicate things too. Basic strategy, core strategy, it is what it is. Like I was saying, when a salesman enters a new job and has to sell a new product, his first 2 weeks, his first month are some of the best sales numbers he will ever have at that company, most of the part, because he just knows what he needs to know in the selling points. That's it. And then the longer that he stays, the more bullshit and the more details and the more he can talk himself out of it. Basic strategy. Yes, and I answered your Fibonacci question, but I was muted. I just don't need it. Don't need it. I mean, not that I haven't used them before. You don't have to use every tool. You just don't need it. Why would I use Fibonacci when I'm able to track the flow of money better than anything? I'm not hating on Fibonacci's or anything. They work. It's great. Just don't need them.
It's in the same category as spider
lines.
Like CF already has support and resistance. He uses like rising support and resistance lines to form trade ideas. So a Fibonacci is just a way to create lines to generate an idea for a trade. So you don't need Fibonacci's to generate a trading idea.
Yeah, you need a tool that helps you that shows you if price is going to go up or down and a strength of that move. That's Market Cipher. And then you need, support and resistance off the candles themselves, and that's, spider lines or Fibonacci's or just drawing lines. It's, you know what I'm saying? No, Odin, but you can draw them yourself, my friend. Draw them and save them. you know, draw them and then click the save button, and so it saves. You use I use the weekly chart, Hike and the She candles on log. You click the ray line, and then you click the magnet, and then you set it on the closed tops and set it on the first pivot after a big drop to the buoyancy inverse flop. And there you go. And then you save the chart. You pick which exchange chart, you know, you want to have it saved on. I have the new spider lines are on crypto.com. The old spider lines are on Coinbase. Boom, and then boom. Look at that, 66,000 straight through an OG spider line. Right through it. We're right there. Right there. Again, weekly, Hike and the She candle, logarithmic, use the ray line, click the magnet. Play with it yourself. You'll and then save it. There is no link. You just punch in your Discord username in the back office on the website. We gotta I thought we need to make sure our emails are telling people how to get into the Discord correctly now, because it's changed. I don't know if it's. I don't even know now. Well, I don't know. I thought we changed it, but you just enter your Discord username where it says Discord username when you log in on MarketCipher.trading.com. Let's see here. Yeah, the 25-minute was just looking killer. It was looking killer. Let's see here. Let me pull everything back up. Hey, now, Crypto Lifer, brother. What's going on, man? I'm so happy for him. He's just like a ball of light inside of a body. He has the innocence of a child, a young child on the playground. He just wants to play ball, and he is playing ball. Thanks for the 50. You know where it goes, brother. You know it goes straight to the Kids Cancer fucking Foundation families and wounded veteran family. I mean, you called it, brother. This shit's been going up. It's been great. I'm pretty sure after this trade, shit, I'm only 150,000 away from $1 million. And I mean, I've withdrawn like 200,000. So I've traded up to $1 million, but minus withdrawals, we just need another 150, and we flipped this account from 100 to 1 mil in a couple months. I mean, there's, shout out to Lifer, man. Go to his channel. If you've, I don't do this shit every day anymore, but Crypto Lifer does. He never takes a day off.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
And you know, never mind. Let's talk about it. I remember the first time I saw Crypto Lifer on around the blockchain, and you said something that pissed me off, and then I ended up making fun of your coat. I said you had dust on your shoulder. It looked like you had dust on your shoulder. And now look at us. Now we're friends. And look how far we've come. Look how far we've come. Yeah, bro, been playing this real good. We clocked in that 300,000 off that long, shorted 64.5, got out of the short, clocked in 50 G's, longed, and I took a little profit and then added to it again. And what are we at? Okay, and then yeah, here we are. Went to sleep, passed the fuck out. I don't remember falling asleep. I could have. I didn't set any stops or nothing. I mean, I just like face planted into the keyboard, and then when I woke up in bed, and so I may have like either a ghost, either the Holy Spirit of Jesus Christ picked me up in my sleep and carried me to bed, or it was my dog. It very well could have been my dog dragging me to bed. And so, dodged a bullet, you know what I'm saying? But we don't gamble. You know, this isn't gambling. When you have a system down, which in Crypto Lifer can attempt, is that you're not supposed to, this ain't no gambling thing. It's like, oh, I think it's gonna do this, let's do it. There's no I think. Fuck what you think.
Bro, look at Crow. Like, if Crow goes back to its old high, it goes up.
Good one. I haven't looked at Crow for a long time.
Look at Crow, bro. If it goes to the recent high, it pumps 80-something%.
Man, I had $1 million of this coin. I can't believe that shit. I had $1 million at 90 cents or something like that, and I was like, I'm gonna hold through the bear market, and then I bitched out. Thank God. Or else I would have been a salty Crow boy. But they stand true. You know, when FTX went down, everyone was talking shit like Crow's next, and they helped like all the CEOs a scammer, and well, and they've held. You know, the price ain't what it used to be, and maybe their credit card private jet flight thing didn't really work out. It really didn't do much. Maybe it did. I don't know. But I was like, yo, give me one of those cards, man. I need to charter a couple of flights. Like, what's up with that? And there was no way to get information on it. That's what pissed me off. I'm like, I'm very interested. I charter private jets. Fucking give me this credit card. Like, I'm looking for more details. And the only details was some shit or random YouTuber in a little graph with like 2 sentences on it. Unless, yeah, you're better off. Oh, never mind. Truth sometimes is subjective. But yeah, damn Crow. Damn, look at that money flow steady on the increase. And now that it's in the green, it's finally in the green. The weekly on Bitcoin. Lifer, if you're still here, are you still here, Lifer? I want to show you something. might not be here, but the weekly. First off, what a beautiful picture to look at of the weekly. What a beautiful picture. The momentum head and shoulders. This short played out. It played out beautifully. But right now, we are at the VWAP oscillation crossing up, and we have momentum potentially pitching off. Every time when we get a wave of this size on a weekly that's coming up, the price moves hard. The price moves real hard. Now we zoom in, we marked each point. This one was a 18-20% move. The one before that was, I mean, we could say it was a 78 or 80% move, but we'll just say just the next big move is 24%. The one before that was, 30%. We could keep going. But also, the area that we are in, the areola that we're currently in. So this zone had a 92% success rate at price action going all the way through it. 92% of the time of every move that was in this zone, it went all the way through. Now we are beckoning at this price zone, big gap. This zone has a 71.4% success rate of the move going all the way through. 5 out of the last 7 times. You take 100 divided by 7 times 5. When the price action enters between this yellow and green line in history, 71.4% of the time, it goes all the way through. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it does. I'm telling you, it kind of takes a lot. I'm a very calm. I'm a very feet on the ground person with many things in life, with business. When people are always like, "How come you're not excited about this investment, about this business?" I'm like, I'll get excited when I see the results. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, you guys want to be excited about something that's not even done yet. I understand. I'm not. I am excited. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't something I wanted to. I didn't believe in. I believe in it, but I'm not gonna have my head in the clouds. Like, I'm gonna stay grounded. You know what I'm saying? Like, it takes a lot to kind of get me excited, and I'm kind of excited. I'm excited. And the buoyancy, I don't know, Lifer, if you saw my video on the buoyancy, but we were in a raft. Have you ever white water rafted down some rapids in Colorado or something? You're in a raft and you're going through rapids with waves and you have canoes and it's a lot of fun, but people fall overboard. And you're a boating man, you know this. If someone falls overboard and you're not in still waters, you're in a fucking river rapid. So shit's hitting you in the face, they're splashing, you're going up and down in waves, it's like king crab fishing. It's the closest thing to the Alaskan Caspian Seas. If someone falls overboard, you don't just, unless they're very small and you're big, if it was like a little kid, you could grab them with one hand and pull them up. We're not talking about a little kid here. We're talking about if someone is of equal or bigger size than you and they fall overboard, you grab the top of their life jacket. Here's their life jacket. You grab it with your hand and you say, on the count of 3, I'm gonna push you down deeper and deeper into the water. Shit's gonna go inside of your nose, salt water, if you don't fucking breathe it in. You push them down and then you pull them back up with the buoyancy and the momentum into the raft again. And that is what we're going through right now. We fell through We fell off the raft. We were stuck in this range going through rapids and shit was hitting us in the face. And Sally fell overboard. And Sally is a heavy woman. Heavy woman. And we're skinny. We're skinny men. And our heavy girlfriend fell over. And we pulled the bitch back up. And there you go. And man, we have just been hand wiping. Another thing I want to show you. Let me pull something up here. Smooth is fast and everything can be an art form. And in times like these, we have the confidence of, oh, what the fuck? Oh, here we go. Okay, that's not what we're listening to. We have been, look at his hand. Okay, here it goes. Watch his hand wipe. It's an art form. Watch this. It's magical. Look, and then he shakes his finger. He just hand wiped Bezos's wife, and look, she's eating it up. It's magic. It's like an optical illusion. It's so smooth. He goes, he actually, at first I thought he's doing a circular beckoning motion. What he's actually doing is he's waving it out and waving it in and then into a beautiful little knot. It's beautiful. It's like an optical illusion. Look at this hand wipe. Look, look. He just wiped it real good. He just wiped it. Man, you do not want to bring your girl around someone who's got hand wiping skills like that. And I've been practicing. I've been practicing this move, and I think I got it down. I think this is one we add to the books. Like, brethren, when you're out there and you're talking to these girls, you know the stomach touch thing. If you can somehow touch a woman in her stomach without being a fucking weirdo, it's like you flip a shark over on its back. When you touch a woman in their stomach, it does something to them subconsciously. And then you tell them that they're not a basic bitch. That line still works. That's a timeless line. You are not a basic bitch. Touch them in the stomach. You tell them they're not a basic bitch. And then you hand wipe. You hand wipe like Leonardo.
I mean, look at him
DiCaprio.
wagging his finger in her face like she's a bad girl, you know? And then he's like, yeah, he's got that,
Yeah, he's telling her. He's telling her no subconsciously. And when you tell a woman no, you know what happens. That's right. And he'll and then they step up and now look up. Yeah, so belly touch, tell them they're not a basic bitch, and then hand wipe into a finger nod somehow. And you have to, you just got to go with the flow. You know you're gonna do it. You don't just walk up to a bitch and say, grab her, unless she's like a strip or something. You don't just grab a bitch by the stomach, hand wipe her in the face, and then tell her she's not a basic bitch. But that might work. It probably could work.
It's worked for me.
Yeah, so he actually goes, he waves his hand out and then in. And it looks like he's like just going like, come here. But he's not. He's like waving out and in. He's like out, in, hand wipe, finger nod.
Yeah, I feel bad for Jeff Bezos, man.
Don't feel bad for him. He's fine. Space. Obtuse.
I don't know, man. I'd rather have hair on my head and like not be him than all the money, bro. I like being me, bro.
That's fair. I mean, we're not dissing on the bald guys out there, you know, the shaved heads. There's some very manly alpha shaved headed men out there, that's for damn sure.
Like Vladimir Harkonnen from Dune.
Yeah, man, this is great stuff, man. And we have curvature. I mean, it's like, God, we have so much going for us right now. It's crazy. It's like, man, we got major time frames. Money flow super thick. We got so much going for us. Look at the 25-minute. We have a trumped ear VWAP oscillation. We have a Trump ear, higher low VWAP trigger to an anchor wave. We're now calling trigger and anchors Trump ears. We have trumpets, Trump Rolexes, which is just an all gold Rolex, and Trump ear.
What else is it? A trampoline, like a trampoline. Dylan Waves had a good line. It's a literal Trump rally.
I was supposed to talk with Breakout today, and I was gonna bring up setting up a tournament, but I dropped dead asleep, and boy, I would love to have someone win a Trump Rolex, or maybe we could give away a Dale Jr. Daytona, a Batman Rolex, just a standard presidential. This is a beautiful watch, these Yacht Masters, but I like these. I like these chain links, the thinner chain links. I don't really like these chain links. These really pinch your hair. When they pinch your hair, it sucks. I like the smaller chain, the thinner chain links. I love Bob's watches, man. I emailed them. I gotta check if they ever emailed me back. Ooh, a Snoopy Omega watch, a Snoopy. My mother loved Snoopy. Okay, so a straight up Trump is 17,000. I wonder if there's any that are a little cheaper. Well, that's kind of breaking the budget. Ooh, look at all these.
I could feel your skin warming.
Ooh.
Are you imagining us in other positions? Or am I alone?
God, I tell you, a solid Rolex will make you addicted. You go to Bob's Watches and you'll get addicted. And they ship it to you the next day. You get it the next day. You have to sign for it. It comes in a Brinks truck. You can get addicted to these watches, man. You can get addicted to Bob's.
If only I could stare at them for a bit.
You can get addicted to Bob's real quick.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
I do say that seeing you in such a compromising position. It sounds like your guards are on duel. If I ask you to call them off, would you do it for the sake of curiosity of why I'm here? I had to have teased your curiosity at least a bit. No.
Any giveaways, brother? I've been giving away what the market's been doing and gonna do. I've been giving away knowledge.
Kitchens before. There's a reason why I'm in your
What more can you ask for? You want a handout? I've been handing them out. I've been handing you out. I've been saying. I mean, and really, it's been show and tell. I've been showing you better than I can tell you. Just like when I'm looking for Chelino, he's right in front of me. More often than not, the answer to your questions are right in front of you. Just like Chelino. I'll be like, Chelino fucking escaped this damn cage. I'll be sitting there looking for 5 minutes, and he is right in front of me looking at me, and I don't see him. He's at the front of the cage looking at me, changed colors with light and shade, and he knows it, and he knows I can't see him. I don't think I've heard back. Let me check. I messaged the Market Cipher for Russians channel, and I don't think they emailed me back yet. Let me see. Yeah, man. I want Crypto Face Espanol, Crypto Face in Russian, Crypto Face Portuguese, Crypto Face Francais. And I don't know if, I mean, I need an AI guy. I need an AI guy that actually knows how to use AI shit and tools. Like, we know how to do pictures. My brother can make pictures with AI and do video stuff, but I need translated. I need translation of multiple languages. We need to make multiple channels. I mean, we can't, there's so many, I can't, there's so many people who have had to learn English. And, yeah, Arabic. I want crypto face. I want, when I'm talking, I want someone to go, jihad, down with America, down with America. A Durka jihad, down with America. This is crypto face. The crypto face Arab channel is gonna be like, this is crypto face, down with the infidels. The heretics and infidels have gone on for too long. I want Amazon tribe African crypto face. It's like crypto face L Amazon tribe. Oh man, we can have crypto face for the deaf, where someone's hands are just flopping and groping in the screen.
Yes, dude.
Half the time it's like flicking, making the middle finger. And then it does like the little thing where you put your hands together and you open it up like we used to do in second grade to, you know, and then you stick your finger through it. They're playing paper, rock, scissors. You go to crypto face for the deaf, it's paper rocks, two people playing paper, rock, scissors.
He's doing the Leonardo DiCaprio thing.
Yeah! Crypto face twerking channel where we just have strippers twerking the whole time. We could have crypto face racist. He's like, get some motherfucker from Mobile, Alabama. Now, actually, Alabama, even though they have a bad name, is a very non-racist place. That's, I watched Billy Santinelli in Alabama. It seemed like a very nice place, just like anywhere else. You know, you have a very, very nice neighborhood, and then over then some parts aren't. Alabama might be a good. Alabama has like been kind of a secret for rich people for a long time. We could have crypto face Indian, Native American. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. We could have crypto face fart noises where it's you barely hear me talking and it's like
we gotta do the Beavis and Butthead one, dude. Where we're just like It's going up. It's going up.
Yeah, just having Beavis and Butthead AI re-say everything.
There's got to be a way to put two people's, like you have two people talking and it makes them two different characters, so we could be like Beavis and Butthead or like Ren and Stimpy.
Dude, that's what the Russian channel did. So the Russian channel, and I'm pretty sure it's all AI, and it sounds legit as heck. When there's different people, when a different voice comes in, it's a different voice that does that voice. We could have Crypto Face Gangster, where a black man just says the N-word after everything I say. He repeats what I say and then says the N-word.
Just the N-word on the soundboard, bro. And you just click it after everything you say, so it's not technically you saying it.
That's a really good idea. That's like the best idea you've had in a week.
Make sure it's Mike Perry saying it.
Yeah, he doesn't say it, like he doesn't really say it anymore. Like old OG Mike Perry. That I tell you, you want to see a man who's really, you know, blossomed and transitioned, just like you and him are very similar in that fashion. You know, there's nobody, but nobody can compete with you, bro. When it comes to snapping yourself out of something and changing, there's no one who does it better than you, bro.
Man, I'm just obsessed at whatever I'm doing. So it's like wherever I'm focusing the eye of Sauron, you know, I put all my energy there.
Let's see this Ripple chart. Okay, it's still at 60. Yeah. I believe, yeah, good for Ripple. I'm happy for Ripple. I hope it keeps going. It still looks like shit. It's still in this range, you know, but we'll see if it busts out of it. I'd be surprised, you know. I would be selling my Ripple so hard. If Ripple finally gave you a chance to cash out, I would get out. Get out. They print so much of it. They've been selling you like, there's a time where you got to kind of realize that, you know, I don't know. I mean, you know, don't listen to me.
It's collapsing.
Dude, the last time there was a bottom of this magnitude event was the BitBoy situation, this situation with BitBoy when he was live and the police pulled up on him. Beside like that, and it's like, what could be even bigger than that? It's like, oh, Trump, an assassination attempt on Trump. Right below that is Bit Boy's hands in the air with the police.
Dude, I need to be taking whatever Ben Armstrong's on, man, because I want to be like Alex Jones with my own show.
No.
Talk like this in the Bilderbergs. I want to talk about the Bilderbergs, bro.
Dude, and then you're but whatever they're taking, it goes. I don't know what drug, but dude, I heard Alex Jones on Spaces the other night, and he was very frothy mouth. I don't know what that is. That's some type of energy pill, but we ain't talking, you know. Never mind. Bro, you don't need any drugs, bro. You already have natural testosterone and natural shit going for you, bro. You don't need any drug.
I have been fully natty, bro. I haven't done any of that shit. And the guys at my gym who are doing that shit and trying to live that life year round, bro, they're so depressed.
Really?
Oh my god, bro, dude, I've been going to this private gym, and I love this gym, and I never talk shit, you know. But it's crazy how many people are in such good shape, and yet like you could just literally tell like they're not enjoying life. You know, it's a tough life to manage, not being able to eat what you want.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Being all juiced up and shit, and like pissed off, and like having to come to the gym like 3 hours a day.
What the fuck are they doing, dude? It's that they're just like scorching their endorphins or whatever. They're on drugs. They're on drugs.
Man, all I know is I come into the gym smiling, saying hey to everybody, you know, making deals with people, you know, all this shit. And I don't got a six pack. I just come in and do some burpees and some push-ups and like say hey to everybody and maybe cold plunge or whatever. And yeah, there's just like so many people that go there who just can't even smile at you. You know, they're like, it's like angry gym people.
Yeah, man, it's crazy. You know, you never know what's going on in someone's head. Everyone deals with different shit, and it's like the way so many people, the way they go about their daily shit is like with a weird, pessimistic, angry shit. Not saying I haven't done it myself before. I tell you, what really helps is getting a dog. You know, ever since my head Sid, I have never woken up on the bad side of the bed. I wake up and he jumps on the bed and starts attacking me. It's so sweet, and he's floofy. I need to figure out how I stream on multiple places at the same time. I need to stream on Twitter because there's growth on Twitter. Do you stream on Twitter?
I do not know.
I'm gonna ask someone how to do it. I need to stream at multiple places at the same time. And I think I'm gonna start a Kick stream. I tried making an account, but it didn't work. It was like the verification code shit got frozen or something. But on Kick, I know that we can watch movies, bro. We can watch movies.
You should make it OnlyFans, bro, with Cholino and like It's like you in your underwear feeding Cholino hornworms.
I use Streamlabs. I hate switching OB. I really don't like change. I don't like change. And I certainly don't like changing streaming software. I finally got this Streamlabs shit down. Let me look this up. How to, choose option, the Twitter with X option.
Man, this happened at the start of the year, but I had an OnlyFans, guys, and like I got banned from it. So I was posting TA and doing my VIP trading calls and shit out of OnlyFans just to like, almost as like a joke, you know? But then randomly my account gets taken down and like some dude named Magnus, and like I was arguing with him over the emails, and like this motherfucker Magnus couldn't give me my OnlyFans account back.
Oh, it does have Twitter on here. It does have Twitter on here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Damn, TikTok, Instagram. Dude, I can start when I can stream on Instagram. Damn, so much potential. All right, I figured it out. I'll be able to do it. Hell yes. Hey, trade intuition, bro. You were right, bro, on that 300 thou wow, man. You said close it and get back in lower. I closed it. We shorted it. I got back in like at 62.9 or something like that. And now it's averaged up here, but yeah, what you said was the right, bro. I closed the trade and I closed the trade and I don't even fucking remember what happened. I've been hitting so many of these moves. Just back to 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 back. Amazing. I'm not giving you permission to spam the chat. I just wanted to say that. You don't need to spam the chat. Just because you have white privilege, mod privilege. Yeah, I tell you, it's gonna be. I mean, again, we are beckoning at the non-log OG. I mean, this is insanity. We are right there, and this is insane. I mean, look at that. Boom, sliced all the way through. Amazing shit. And now we are in a zone with a big gap. This zone has a 71.4% chance that it goes all the way through. 71.4%. How did I come up with the percentage? By going back to each time, there was 5 out of the last 7 times we were in this zone. 5 out of 7 times. It goes all the way through. That's 71.4%.
Man, one reason not to short is like, yes, the start of this month was bearish, but that was just like some June bearishness bleeding into July. Like, July is now a bullish month. And so, even if there is a nice little pullback, you might not want to be shorting just because it's like a card stacked against you in the trade.
Yeah, you know, the line could hold. Absolutely. It's, you know, it's the first time, you know, we're touching it. We're actually slightly above it. No, we're slightly above it. Listen, I hear you. We are just, and I mean, we're just coming up with money flow. The daily RSIs have never been this bullish in Bitcoin's lifetime before. We've never seen this before. The last time we saw anything close to this was the moment we hit $3,000 on Bitcoin in 2018. That was 6 years ago. I'm loving this range. This is the best trading range for me in a long time. Playing it up, longing it up, shorting it down, longing it up, shorting it down. The moves have foundation, you know, they have curvature. It's not wiki bullshit. It's amazing. We're seeing the repetitive Bitcoin patterns. When Bitcoin makes a pattern, whatever it may be, whether it's a Chinese trumpet or a Chinese trumpet or what, a Chinese chong, whatever shape it makes, it repeats it on multiple time frames. And if that shape is bullish, boom, there you go. Look for that shape, boom. It's okay. It's gonna fractal itself again, go up, and it's great. Good shit. Yeah, we pulled up the weekly.
Did you mute?
No, I have to like hit push to talk for you to hear me on Discord, and so I think, man, maybe didn't do that. But the weekly We pulled this up on standard candles. It's absolutely pinching. Each time we get a weekly curvature to the upside or to the downside too. The move, a weekly curvature up or down is a big move. The last few times this was like 20%. And that's just the next move. We're not even saying, I'm talking about, okay, boom, 20%. And the next move, boom, 20%. Yeah, we could go all the way, could go all 80%. We could say 80%. But just the next big one, 27%. The one before that, the first big move, 28%. Technically, it's at what, 300%, whatever the price is, all the way up here. The weekly, when we have this, we don't get this all the time. We only get it, you know, so many times. The market only gives us these things, you know, sometimes. The Head and Shoulders played out, sold off amazingly, and the price could come up and sell off again. But right now the price is coming up. We're long in this bitch. And playing the fiddle in between. You know, these are times where you have to, right now is a great time to have 2 accounts. If you can't have multiple trades in the same direction at the same time on your exchange. A longer term play and a scalp and play. You can have a macro trading account and a scalp and trading account. So you don't confuse yourself and, oh, I want to be in this longer, but I want to take profits now and slice the meat up, the fat off the beef. I think we're gonna call it there. I kind of want to play some video games, man. I want to play like some ARAM or some League or something. I want to play something.
Yeah, it's my last night. I fly out in the morning, so
that's right.
Yeah, it sounds like a good idea.
All right.
Thanks for having me on the stream.
Thanks for being here, everyone. Thank you for being here. Another one, man. This is just amazing price action. Hopefully it continues. And thanks for being here.